Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get 0 before a number in Excel. We'll cover 3 easy methods to ensure your numbers, like zip codes or product ID, always display with those crucial leading zeros. This is especially helpful when you need a consistent number of digits for your data. Let's dive right into the first technique to get your data looking perfect. Our first method uses custom formatting. Simply select the cells you want to modify, then press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. Under the Number tab, choose Custom. Here, you can type a series of zeros, like 5 zeros for a 5-digit number, to force leading zeros. This changes how the number looks without altering its actual value. Next, we'll use the powerful text function. In an adjacent cell, type equals text, then reference your number cell, for example, a 1. Follow this with a comma and your desired format in quotation marks, like 00000 for a 5-digit output. This function converts your number into a text string, ensuring the leading zeros are preserved, which is great for consistent data entry. Finally, the simplest trick is to type an apostrophe before your number. This tells Excel to treat the entry as text, preserving any leading zeros you type. It's quick and effective for individual entries. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. We hope these methods help you manage your data efficiently and accurately. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.